Yeah, students. The first thing is we need to know that why the name narcotic drugs is given. Okay. Narcotic meaning which is not prescribed. Which is not prescribed. Normally it should not be prescribed. Are you getting the word? Normally it should not be prescribed. Suppose I have a headache. I'll go to the, don't write anything, you listen. No? I have a headache. I will go to medical store or the druggist or chemist. So then I'll ask for the headache tablet. I have a headache, can you give a tablet? So they will give it or not? They will give, right? But these narcotic drugs are there now. You cannot take like that. Are you getting the first point you remember? Suppose a patient is admitted. To that patient already the doctor has given some prescription. Okay? If that prescription, if you go and ask in the druggist, they will give? Yes, no? Yeah, they will give that. Suppose a cardiac patient, some for example I am telling, they will give, isn't it? But these kind of drugs, suppose you had a prescription, you cannot go and take like that. If you show such kind of prescription in druggist and chemist, then what they will do, suddenly they will call to police station. Or who is the specialist? They will call to that doctor, not patient. See, instead of patient you are going, or the patient is going. So they will not give like that. Because these drugs are normally, they are not, it cannot be recommended. Please understand there are different words, different things. Writing just drugs is different, narcotic drugs is different. So narcotic drugs means normally it is not prescribed. Okay, fine. So that is the point that we need to understand here. You have to check now the narcotic drugs. Shall we write like that? So first, what is the point? That not prescribed or recommended normally. That's the point we will write. Okay. Now these narcotic drugs are addictive drugs. What drugs? Addictive drugs. If you take, these drugs continuously, so then what happens? It becomes what? Addictive drugs. That is a problematic thing. Point number one that you understand, addictive. Another point is, it will cause lot of side effects. Normally whatever you take drugs will cause side effects only, but I am telling it will cause lot of side effects. Lot of negative adverse effects will be there because of the narcotic drugs. So normally it is not recommended, first point. It will give lot of side effects and it will become what? Addictive. Addiction, what is addiction? Means again and again you feel like what? Taking these drugs. This is called habituated. The drugs which will be habituated. That is the point here you have to understand. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will have a list of this narcotic drugs. First we will understand that. In just like a table format you can just write on, or just a format like that you write on. Okay. Yeah. The first one we will write it like this. This is I'm writing here. This is called read. When I write, suppose a new word, the first important thing that you have to do is you have to read. But some students are there, that X student will feel like that. Don't feel like that. You have come to understand the subject, correct? Suppose I am a student, I want to become doctor. Suppose somebody else is there, what he will feel or she will feel like that if you do not understand means, then it is your problem. Okay, so what did I write? Sedatives. Come on, repeat. Sedatives. That's a point number 1, sedatives. Now these are the group of drugs. Okay. So what is this drugs will do? That is the point. And what is an example? I am writing here example. Example it is, we call it a barbiturates. Come on, repeat. Barbiturates is the example. It's an example of the sedative. Barbiturate. Now, this is the group of the drugs, and this is the example of the drug. Example of the drug. The next column we need to write. Look at the title. What is the effect on our body? And after this, another column what we'll write? We will write it. Read this. Clinical use. Clinical use means as per the doctors concerned or specialist concerned. So, what is a clinical use? Means medically what is the use? So, that is this column we will write. Now, sedatives, come on, repeat. Barbiturates. Okay, so what is the effect I am writing? So, this, the sedatives and all, this particular thing will, come on, read this. Depress the brain activity. It depress the brain activity. Now, what is the clinical use? The sedative can act as, these sedatives actually they are called as a commonly sleeping pills. What pills? Okay. Why we are giving the sleeping pills? Because he is not getting the sleep. That's why we are giving the sleeping pills. Why he is not getting the sleep? Because he has got some tensions. Correct? Okay. So, what shall I write like this here? Read. Anti-anxiety. To relieve tension, we are giving such kind of tablets. Okay. So, shall we write? It will give rise to what? Sleep. Anti-anxiety. We are also going for these kind of hypnotic. So, hypnotism, you know it. Okay, hypnotic activity. So they go for a kind of a subconscious kind of a level. The mind will go, then they will tell what is the exactly the happen. Means aram se calmly they will sleep. Okay. So anti-anxiety, sleep, hypnotic, to relieve what? To relieve, what shall I write? Tension. Okay. Or anxiety, sleep, hypnotic. Okay. So these are all will be what is called as a clinical use. Clear? So please write down this one by one. You start writing now. We will understand what is how exactly this, and we can also go for very well detailed study of this. Okay. First you write on the table. So what is sedatives? Barbiturates depresses the brain activity. So what is the clinical use is? So it relieves the tension, anti-anxiety, sleep, hypnotism or calmness. Shall we write one more? You're writing, right? Yeah. So the second group I'm writing. This is called as tranquilizers. Tranquilizers. Come on, repeat. Tranquilizers. Yeah. Example for these. Read that. Benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines. These are all, just like reading those words, you feel like you are learning pharmacy. Okay, benzodiazepines. Okay. Valium, like that also you can just write down. The effect is the same. That is depress the brain activity. The same. Clinical use also same. Okay. Tranquilizers. So why them in the tranquilizers? In the sense they are called as. Come on, read this. Depressants. Okay. So previously we said he is not getting the sleep. The patient is not getting the sleep, we are giving those sleeping pills. Now what is the second thing we understood? He is under what? He is under depression. Now we have to give antidepressant tablets we have to give, or we call it depressants. The tablet name is called. Is that clear? Depressants. Example. Okay. The depressant is a common name and the medical term is this one, tranquilizers. Sedative is a sleeping pills common name. Sedatives means sleeping pills. Tranquilizers means depressants. You getting? Okay, now he is under depression, we will give this. Okay, benzodiazepines or Valium like that. If you give that, now suppose for example, we will also take like this, the patient is under depression and he wanted to commit suicide. Okay. So once we give this drug and the next moment he will be alright and he will say, no, I will not commit suicide. Such a powerful what? Drug. Is that clear? Getting? So there is medical use or not? There is clinical use or not? See, now the patient is going, he wanted to commit suicide. So we are giving what? Medicine. Or the clinical use is there or not? Yeah. To relieve tension, anti-anxiety, sleep, getting hypnotic calmness, all these things. Okay. So anti-depression, these are all things will be done by the tablet. Is there clinical use is there or not? Okay. Now I am going to the medical store, I will ask for these benzodiazepines. They will give me or not? Why they will not give? Because there should be what? Prescription. Okay, prescription from the doctor, physician, specialist. And still he will not give. He will phone call. The doctor confirm. He will confirm, yes. Isn't it? Why he is very much bothered to give such kind of drugs? Tell. He can give directly, no, once. So I want 50 sleeping pills. No. Is it, can he give? No, why he is not giving? What is his problem? What is his problem? Business it is happening, no? He is getting the money, right? Then why? Come on, someone said, yeah, correct. What? No, after that, no answer only. Hey, Purva, what? Tell now. Hey, Sanya, tell. What? Leads to death. Hi, don't go, I know death and all. Come on, somebody can just add up. Why is so scared to give, why is phone calling to specialist and asking really, your patient is asking for 20 sleeping pills, shall I give it? Why is asking like that? Sleeping pill should be taken only one pill, no, per day. If by chance if he, what? Come on, no, you know every answer. No, why you are? Misuse. How you will misuse? How will misuse? Come on. Come on, tell. No, that also I should also tell. No? What? Instead of one tablet, if he consumes 50 tablets, what happens? Death. You know all these things. Simply you are sitting like this. Why? You know the answer, no? This one. If you consume, if he misuses, if the patient misuses taking 20 tablets, why he is taking 20, 50? Why? Because he want to commit suicide. So that's why he is what? Scared. He is calling to the specialist and confirmation. So generally, it is not recommended. It should not be given normally. Are you getting now the subject? That is called as what is the title? Narcotic drugs. This will lead to side effects. Okay, so but our motto is patient should not die. Our motto is the patient should recover from the problem. Isn't it? Whatever the problems of the patient, we have to rectify it. We have to treat him. We have to cure the disease or the problem. Correct? That is our motto. So for that we are using the drugs. Even though it has got side effects, but ultimate motto is what? Patient recovers. Clear? Shall we go to the next one? Yeah. What does the sedatives will do? Depress the brain activity. Okay. So what is the main role? Anti-anxiety. Next up. Number 3. Opiate derivatives. Next, a group of the drug is called opiate, O-P-I-A-T-E, opiate derivatives. Okay, under that, the examples you write down. I'll write down the examples. See, as I write the example, you have to repeat. Morphine, come on, loudly tell. Morphine. Come on, read. Heroin. Okay. Read. Codeine. Okay. Codeine. Methadone. Okay. So morphine, heroin, codeine, methadone. Okay, all these come under opiate derivatives. Opiate derivatives. Okay, what is the effect? We will understand. What is the effect? We will understand. The effect on it suppress the brain activity. Suppress the brain activity. So there we said depress the brain activity. So this one will suppress the brain activity. So there is a difference in the suppressing and depressing the words. Now here what happens? It relieves. Come on, read this. Pain. Relieves what? Pain. So that means you can say directly that painkiller. Come on, what's the answer? Painkiller. All these are all painkiller. Okay. Now the patient is having, so much of pain, stomach pain, headache, or whatever the kind of a pain, or joint pain, like that. He's suffering from, the pain, so that he cannot able to lift his leg. Now the tablet has been taken. Within half an hour, the pain went off, or within half a day, the pain went off. So then again he will, once he lift the leg, now before he was cannot able to lift it, now he is lifting it, correct? So once he lift, what is the body will, now how does he feel? How does he feel? How does he feel? Refresh, refresh. He feel refresh. Any other word? Sorry? What does it feel? Energetic, relief, refresh. Any other words you can use? He doesn't feel happy? See, I cannot able to lift my leg. Now I can lift. Oh my God, I can able to lift my leg. See, this is what the feeling that he has. This is called as little joy. Am I correct? Little joy. Now little joy, that we call it up. Now we will call that as euphoria. You feel what? Euphoria. Or you can write little joy. You can write little joy. Okay, so that is the relief pain. So that is a point you have to be understand in this particular case. Methadone, pethidone, codeine, heroin, and the morphine. So one by one we have to study detail. Now just we are putting what? A table format, that's all. You are getting every point. Now this is the third group. Next you write fourth group. Shall I erase? Yes. Number 4, please read this. Stimulants. Example you give. Example what you give? Stimulants. These kind of drugs are very mild drugs, we can call it up. Okay, stimulant you tell now, one example. What is that? Okay, so what we have to say? Coffee, tea. Okay, read there. Cocaine, amphetamines, tea, coffee, cocaine, amphetamines, these come under what? Stimulants. So the coffee scientific name is, we call it up coffee arabica. Coffee arabica. Arabica meaning, that means which is from Arab country. So the people, they brought from Arab country this coffee and they planted here. So it was very difficult to plant here. Then still they struggled and they maintained this. Okay, and tea means that we have to write tia. Okay, THEA, tia. Probably you may know it. Tea was first introduced from which country? China, Japan? China. Okay. So tea, coffee, cocaine, amphetamines, these are all come under. Now what is the effect on our body? Okay, so after taking tea, what we will feel? Fresh. Okay. So what we'll write? Well-being. Some also will get this like this also. See? Excited. Okay. Excited. Well-being. Shall we write? See, euphoria is different. Euphoria I said little joy. But here, very happy shall I write? Okay, so I think in the place of clinical use I am writing this, I think. So what do you do now? You write clinical use only, this one. Effect you write like this. Increases brain activity or excites brain activity, like that you can write. The person will feel very well-being, excited, very happy. Okay, that is the speciality in the case of stimulants. And clinical use, you can also write clinical use, what you know. There is a test, we do it. This test name is called narco test. NARCO, narco test. You have seen a movie, I think, criminal investigation, CBI investigations. CBI investigations, in that case, you know the news of Rajesh Talwar family. That movie you would have seen. Rajesh Talwar. No? I think you have watched the movie, but you're not aware. Okay? The husband and wife both are doctors, dental doctors. Both are, and the daughter will be killed. Okay? And there will be 2 or 3 servants in their house. I think you would have seen the movie. That is a CBI investigations. Okay, so you can just type Rajesh Talwar. Okay, Arushi, the daughter name is Arushi, who was killed. Okay, and in that, the CBI investigation, both husband and wife, that means mother and father, was put into jail. That means understanding that parents only killed the daughter. Okay. They were in the jail, and later it was said that it was the parents didn't kill. Then they were released. Now they are at, I don't know whether they are, now they are at home only. But still, we didn't get who killed the daughter. Still the CBI investigation. Still, many films came based on that. 3 to 4. You just type that film based on Rajesh Arushi Talwar. No, you can see the movie. Okay, so 1.5 hours maybe 1.5 hours only. The movie maybe you just see that. Then for one of the servant. I think, I remember, servant name is called Krishna. Okay, so servant will be taken to the hospital, and for them the injection we will give, which is a cocaine. That is called as narco test. See, what is the thing is, if you give in the injection, then he will go, he will just sleep. Okay, sleep in the sense, once they give injection, the doctor asks, how he will ask, on this particular day, what happened? Come on, tell. Okay, but some people say our brain knows everything. See, now also, when we stand here, we'll be knowing everything, everything. That much capacity will be there for the brain. What Ritesh is doing. What Janvi is doing, what Purva is doing, everything brain knows. If you close your eyes, you cannot understand. If you close your eyes, you cannot tell. Okay, if you already seen, the doctor will ask to Krishna that what has happened till. So that day, like that, you also listen to the tape also. Tape, Krishna, tape, you write. You type, you can listen to the tape. So we were playing cards. So like that he will tell. So what happens, the this is what narco test means. So brain will tell everything. Whatever the incidents. So who were there, who were not there in the home, we were playing cards, so then suddenly some sound came and we went out and there was, Arushi was killed. Like that he will tell. But this injection what will give, that will be for only 2-3 minutes only he can tell. After that he will sleep. Again what they will do, again they will take next day. Again they will give. So too much if you give dosage, the person may also die also. Okay. So power, brain power is that much only. I mean, too much you cannot extract like that. Understanding? Is there a clinical use or there or not? Clinical use is there or not? Clinical, where the clinical use is there? For CBI investigation reports. Are you getting? See, you can also understand why this chapter is kept. You understood now why this chapter. Tomorrow you will also be, after you complete your MBBS, you can change the track to forensic science. You can do masters in forensic science. Then you will become research and development in forensic science. Then the reports you have to ready. You to prepare CBI reports for that. Any kind of support you have to do support. Getting? It's like this. Narco test we call it. Still the case is not, that who killed Arushi, no, not knowing. So like that. So that is what is called stimulants. Next you write number 5. What has happened to? Yeah, number 5, which is said to be next. Hallucinogens. Next you write hallucinogens. Hallucinogens. In that example you write, example that is we call it up Datura, Atropa, Datura, Atropa, cannabinoids.